welcome to the AT for D205 YouTube channel. I know that we have found out that Grammarly is not SAPA compliant, and so I wanted to share with you some additional options you have to support your students' spelling and grammar needs when they're working on their Chromebook. So here in Google Docs, we just have the built-in spelling and grammar check features. The spell check, the misspelled words are underlined with the red squiggly line, and grammar errors that they think should be edited will be underlined in blue. Students can just click on them and have one option that pops up that they could choose to change it to. Another option I'd like to show you is using CoWriter. The district purchases site licenses of CoWriter for all of our schools. So all students at the school, at your school, regardless of eligibility for special education or a 504, do have access to this tool. It's an extension, so it can be found up here in the extensions bar, and it's this little thought bubble. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on it and toggle it to on. And you'll see here when I click back in my document, now I have this little post-it note I can kind of move around the screen. When I click in a word that is misspelled, it's going to give me options for what it thinks the correct word is. And when I put my cursor over those words, it's going to read them to me.
Vegetables.
And then I can click on the correct word and it will change it for me. So it's really nice for that auditory feedback. A lot of times students who have misspelled words maybe can't read the correct word. And so to get rid of that red squiggly line, they'll click on the first option, even if it's not the correct option. Now I can go ahead and click on another word that's misspelled.
Dressing.
And again, listen to my options.
Dressing.
And find the correct
Dressing.
one. And click on it. If I don't want to have this post-it note popped up all the time, I do have an option to have it be hidden and only have it come out when I want it. If I go to the options menu by clicking again on my extension, I can scroll down here to the feature as needed. And if I turn as needed on, you'll see if I go back to my Google Doc, now following my cursor, I have this same little thought bubble icon. And when I click on it, now my little post-it note pops up. I can click on the word I'm trying to fix.
Carrots.
And then when I'm done, I can click it and it goes away. So I'm able to open it and close it as needed to try and make sure that I'm doing correct spelling and correct grammar. Some students do like to leave this, the post-it note up, if you will, and they can use it as word prediction, similar to when you're texting on your phone. But this is one other option if students find that distracting, to be able to use CoWriter to support their spelling and grammar. If you have any questions about supporting students who no longer have access to Grammarly, please feel free to reach out to me, Bridget Peterson. I am the Assistive Technology Specialist for the district. Thank you so much.